put in place, rather than talking about one incident, the other incidents, what happened when, what happened where. I'm not concerned. I know that this is, I'm just firewalling my institution against interference, be it internal, be it external. So I think this is a golden opportunity to lay down a code.
And Mr. AG,
sir, I completely support this, sir.
Mr. AG,
and my lord, I was responding to my lord.
Let me just add one thing.
Let me just add.
Jamal Sahab is,
just add one thing. What my lord Justice Mansoor Shah said. This is not only interference. You see, since we have taken this notice, especially two of our learned members of the bench have been targeted. This is not interference. This is a threat to the two judges.
मैं उसी को ही respond करना चाहता हूँ.
आप देखिए,
shameful है, disgusting है, unacceptable है.
Attorney General, it is Attorney General.
No, it's not enough. You have to respond to this.
Attorney General.
बात complete कर लो.
Unacceptable और इसका
साहब जरा सुन ले, बात complete करने दीजिए. देखिए, और तो छोड़े, हाई कोर्ट के जजेस को तो छोड़ दें कि उन्होंने एक शिकायत की है. शिकायत पे जो उनका असर हुआ है, हमने जो नोटिस लिया, हमारे साथ क्या हो रहा है? क्या इस तरीके से इंडिपेंडेंस हो सकती है? क्या आप मेंबर के पर्सनल इस पे जजमेंट आ चुकी है? हम एक जजमेंट और देते तो क्या होगा?
बिल्कुल.
अगर इसी तरह होना, हम 10 जजमेंट और दे दें.
नहीं सर, ये तो जो
Attorney General साहब,
I think Zara sir, let's finish reading it, then we can give our opinions later.
Let me just complete. 2018 में जो malicious campaigns, but that is part of our job. We are under an oath. We have never cared about it. मैंने अपना कभी भी नहीं कहा. But when the children's and the wives and family members data is stolen from the government departments, the immigration and NADRA, the presumption and entire onus is on the state. You cannot just make a statement that it is shameful.
No, sir.
That is
crime, sir.
Listen,
it's a crime, sir.
People, it is difficult in this country to speak the truth.
A crime, sir.
Those brave enough who speak the truth, there are judges we know, जिनको सिर्फ कहते हैं कि तुम्हारा बच्चा फलां जगह में पढ़ता है, and it's the state which is doing it.
You see now,
let us be honest about
it. Sorry, I must intervene. We can keep giving our opinions. Can we just finish seeing what the high courts we actually pursuant an order asked for? Let's read those, then we can discuss the matter further. आप कौन सा पढ़ रहे थे अभी आप?
Can I just make one comment before we read the thing? मैं आपको बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि if we don't address this issue today, we're going to lose out on a lot. मैं आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ, why is it ये फोन उधर रख दो, इस फोन को उधर रखो, फोन को उधर रख के बात करो, इधर आ जाओ, उधर बात करो, ये क्या हो रहा है? What sort of a culture are we running here? इस कमरे में नहीं बैठो, उस कमरे में बाहर निकल के बात करो, ये कोई सुन लेगा, फोन कुछ हो जाएगा. Is this a state? What kind of a state are we running? That I have to put my phone away, I cannot talk to anybody, इस कमरे में कुछ हो सकता है, उस कमरे में कुछ हो सकता है. What kind of a culture is this? So now that the case is there, let's sort these issues out. I mean, what kind of culture is this that I'm scared all the time that somebody's recording me, somebody's watching me? What is this? Do we read and पढ़े ना 1984 George Orwell का the Big Brother is watching? What is going on? I mean, let's sort these issues out.
Everyone has become very fearful. Can I on a lighter note? I was talking on the phone. This was not now, before, much before. Someone said, "Oh, your phone will be tapped." I said, "I hope so they can hear what I'm saying and they reproduce it exactly." So, आप आगे बढ़ें. Let's finish this. We can. Let's reserve our comments.
High Court का मैं complete कर दूँ, लाहौर का फिर then I move.
Let's go through all the judges first.
Page 13 पे now I read. It is hoped from 4th line just to complete it.
लाहौर का कर रहे थे ना?
जी लाहौर का बस ये last paragraph है. It is hoped that the final verdict by the Supreme Court would go a long way to protect and uphold the constitutional principle of trichotomy of power by ensuring free and independent functioning of each institution organ of the state. It is also expected that the Honorable Supreme Court of Pakistan in its final judgment may outline a mechanism for redressal of individual grievances of the judges of the high courts and the district judiciary regarding any approach by the executive agencies in case such grievance is not being redressed at the local institutional level. In the proceedings proceedings undertaken by the Honorable Supreme Court, we hope that effective mechanisms may be put in place, preferably through statutory underpinning, which define and lay out in clear terms the parameters and scope of every aspect of the intelligence agencies and bring their activities under legislative and democratic control and oversight. Similarly, a meaningful system of accountability to redress complaints may also be established.
Right. The Lahore High Court has not come with complete truth, I think so.
Come with?
Complete truth. Interference की बात तो वो कर रहे हैं, लेकिन खुल के नहीं कर रहे हैं.
नहीं, इनके साथ एक वो लोअर जुडिशरी ने भी कुछ recommendations दिए.
That is very important actually, my lord has rightly pointed out. अगर आप वो district judiciary की suggestions देखें ना,
जी सर, it's
page 15, very meaningful.
Page 15.
That's right.
Yes. I read out from paragraph number 1 onwards. Judges should keep a detailed record of instances of interference or intimidation with dates, time and nature of such incidents and should report such incidents to the High Court for initiation of contempt proceedings against the delinquents. The judge in whose court proceedings interference has been made should also proceed against the delinquent under the law, including registration of criminal case under the relevant provisions of statute. 2. An independent oversight body such as Judicial Council or Ombudsman with authority to investigate allegations of interference and hold those responsible accountable should also be constituted. A formal complaint cell within the judiciary to address the instances of interference be established, allowing the judges to report interference confidentially, and it must be ensured that complaints are investigated thoroughly and impartially. 4. Institute a transparent and merit-based appointment process for judges in all tiers of judicial recruitments with absolute no executive involvement. 5. The phenomenon of interference by executive and its agencies is more prone in special courts, particularly NAB, ATC and anti-corruption, where